I guess the hurricane made it north of the border, because it started out like 55 and not a lot of wind, and now it's gusting about 40.
That was close. Very close. It was very good.
Let's put the professional on. Let's go. I thought I had some heinous shoot last year. Holy shit. Woo! I can't wait to lay that over last year's footage. That's going to be great.
Big pile of the year, baby. Nothing like Hurricane Katrina blowing through, too.
See y'all. Oh, good morning, everybody.
What's up, Slick Johnson?
I'll tickle dick.
Where's breakfast at, Clark?
Breakfast is at Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A.
Started what, 4th year, 5th year to go? One new face, and 2 more coming from Florida. So I bet this guy doesn't kill a single thing the whole time.
I've never killed a single thing in my whole life, ever. Don't plan on it, boys. It's been a long day.
All right. What's this thing called a passport? Did you bring it?
No.
All right, I didn't figure. You know how to sign your name? You need me to do that for you too.
10:46. We've officially been traveling 13 hours.
Too damn long.
Like that spray paint job? Actually looks pretty good, don't it? Minus that part. See you in the blind.
Oh, hey, hey, bud.
Hey,
How's it going?
Hey,
Yeah, good to see you.
All right, let's go get coffee.
Well, I don't remember.
I've been ready for the last 10 minutes.
I have!
I don't remember that coffee order, so
Your hair looked like a freaking swan's nest.
Joe! What's going on? How you been?
Good, yourself?
Yeah. Colin, good to see you.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I like the roses on the box this morning. Is that for Ruck?
He's my sweetheart. Hey, Dusty, come here. What was the feed look like yesterday?
Heavy.
Heavy.
5 to 10,000 in here from hill here to this whole valley that we're hunting. Over that hill, across that road. We don't have permission on the other field, but
Yeah.
into that field.
So layouts, darks, snows, no ducks this morning, but they'll be in here somehow. All right, step 1, figure out how to put the gun together.
You know I gotta do it.
The boot bag, the top and doors are vital. In between, we can just lay in between on the sides. But top and doors and the boot bags are the old finisher. She hasn't had better days, but it works. A little small for my fat ass now, but I'll make it work. Put it this way, I don't gotta lift the doors open when I sit up. My shoulders just open. I
thought we were doing that for day 2.
Psych!
That's fun.
Welcome to the swap pile. I thought I pulled a Hammy right there.
We got one more good handful just to bevel that out in the back. We'll be silent.
All right, well, it's day 1 here in Canada. We got the layouts brushed in, got our decoys out, putting our guns together right now. About to go park the trucks. The wind's blowing probably 20, gusting up to 30. I mean, it's getting it pretty good. It says it's 53, feels a little colder, but we didn't get a chance to see this feed yesterday. Dustin, Robbie, Chance were here with Kevin. So there's probably 5,000-10,000 birds using this. Quite a few snows, a lot of darks. Got the layouts today, got 8 layouts brushed in. Didn't do a single layout hunt last year, so we're excited. Should have the birds doing it right in this wind. And we're about to hop in the layouts and get after them.
This is what happens when you have a Wagoneer, but not a Grand Wagoneer. Stuff just doesn't work. Wilson! This old specklebelly call might be a little tough, but we'll figure it out. Yeah. Go ahead.
I know.
Oh boy.
Oh, there goes a what's that, teal?
Blue wing. Hey, a little bit of Florida.
Here he comes.
Is it?
Now!
That was pretty.
I think they were gonna land, so one day we're gonna get a shot off. So.
Oh, dig in.
Pile of the year, baby. Nothing like Hurricane Katrina blowing through too.
All right, we just got in here, and I guess the hurricane made it north of the border because it started out like 55 and not a lot of wind, and now it's gusting about 40. I mean, I'm like 10 feet from Kevin, and I can't hear anything. But this rain's supposed to blow in. It's like 7-11, and we got about an hour and a half until apparently it just starts hammering. So we're tucked in, and
Oh, here comes Kevin. Kevin's running.
Kevin's running, so here we go.
Nose did it right. Turn her back into the wind.
Now!
Good job, boys. Good job, boys. Boys in the town. I was trying. They got out front.
Bill wants a chance though. Oh. There you go. Got it. Here.
And make sure their bellies are down.
Miller's down.
Good hold. How many did we get out of that? Like 8? Get him! Wait.
They get turned in that wind and they're gone.
How many darts we got now?
Not enough. We get 8 apiece.
I definitely should have brought the 10 gauge.
So 8's there. Oh, all you needed was 3.
Take that group back there. 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah. 7, 8.
All right. How many is that?
8.
8. We got a while. We got a while. Yellow, straight up.
Adios. Bye-bye.
Cahill said, kill them ducks.
I don't know how many dogs.
I did what I was told.
Yeah, I see 2 on the ground to the left. You were like, hey, there's 2 more on the ground to the left. I'm like, I'll take care of those 2. I'll shoot the other ones.
guess I should have let him come a little further, but
I mean, shit, there's specs on top of. Yeah, I was about to say, if the specs get too far past us, then we're in the middle of them.
By the time you get up there, it's going the other way.
Kelly Brayley. Oh, straight from South Mississippi.
Don't have fans.
Big group of ducks right here.
Ducks?
Yeah. That was more impressive. You sat in front of me, and then I thought you said he was on my toes.
He landed on your toes.
Close up, pull some stubble in. I think we got 5. Those did a little better. Here comes another group. Front right. Kill him straight up.
Win on that last one.
We just having to stretch them out. This overcast is what's killing us. We get a little sunshine, buddy, they can see right through us.
Shoot those snows. Rain them out. Kill them out.
This is the feed, boys.
There's some of them. We found the flock. That was close, very close. It was very good.
Who rolled who up there is what I want to know.
Down. Wait.
I'd have killed all 3 of them if I'd done that earlier.
You were scratching his eyes.
No, seriously, where'd that goose go? He was right here and he got up and walked off. I felt something on my feet and I remember that goose was up there and I saw him walk and I don't know where he is. I didn't want to get up.
Go ahead and try him. Everyone goes like this. Robbie literally comes out low left. All I see is his gun barrel. I'm fucking.
I knew the big group was on the right. I heard 2 specks on the left. I said, everybody's gonna shoot at the big group. I'm going for.
They weren't even on the right, Robbie. They were fucking way up there.
They
You're-
would
no,
they would have landed on you.
I see them. I was watching the big group.
I don't have any.
We don't have that many more birds. We might have like 7 left.
Maybe. Oh, he's coming.
Wait till he flares.
Shoot him there. Shoot him.
Crank him.
Now.
Oh, he's out there. Oh, good shot. Now you gotta go get it. Hey, his head's up. You gotta go get it now.
This ball.
Hey.
Hey, you better have your gun ready. Shoot him now.
Oh, yeah, you better.
Swing and a miss! Swing and a miss! Oh, hell, bud!
Good Lord, let's put the professional on this. Let's go get it. I thought I had some heinous shoot last year. Holy. Woo! I can't wait to lay that over last year's footage. That's going to be great. Now he just gave up. He feels the goose felt so bad for him. He just gave up and laid down. Look at this.
Oh my god.
Jump tube's too tight. I shoot over him both times.
Oh yeah. Dude, there's not even a bar. That thing was born yesterday.
Chicken.
I shoot over him both times, huh?
Alright, plead your case.
Nobody else shot and I got him. To the left, I got up and all I saw was Braley's head and then the cacklers right behind it.
Right
I'm
off
like, well, that.
freaking doormat. All right, we just wrapped up morning number 1, and we absolutely worked over the darks. We shot 7-man limit. Kevin had to roll early, so we couldn't shoot his, but Robbie and Chance and Braley on their first one, I think we did pretty good. It's 10:48. I don't think we have a field for this afternoon, so we're gonna go scout. But all in all, a pretty good morning. Started out really windy and really rainy, and it was tough early. But as the morning went on and the wind kind of calmed down, the birds wanted to work, and we had a nice little first morning. What you think about it?
That was good. No hide. Still shot limited darks with no hide.
A lot better day 2 than day 1. That was a beatdown. Started off with, we thought that we were in South Florida with the hurricane pushing through, but ended up being just a normal day here in Canada. We'll pack it up, get us some sleep. We got in at 2, so I'm on 1, 2, 3 hours of sleep, maybe 2.5. So a little beat right now, but they just got beat. So I'm beat, they're beat. It's a good day. We let a group of 4 lessers that were dang near 5 yards from Taylor, and he went pam, pam, pam. And but it's weird, like some groups would just come right over that hill and we'll be a foot over the hill and just whoop.
Right in.
You guys ran in the early morning when I was back out there. There was one pop shot. I don't know if it was on a cripple, but you had a flock of about 10 Rossies just doing this coming in. And that one pop shot, and they just whoop, gone. I was like, oh!
Was it when you were on the hill?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Snows didn't care to do anything.
They short-stopped us.
Yeah.
But
They're all there.
that field's loaded. So with that being said, they kind of spread out to 3 different fields. So tonight we're gonna look at it. I'm not gonna burn that because it's such a combo hunt to go hunt it tonight. I mean, we lit them up this morning. Let's go drink beer tonight, go for a drive.
Yeah.
See what's what. I got that one, and then the snows are landing right by Baxter. I got permission on that one as well. So if we shoot this one tomorrow, snow should bounce. We'll shoot them in the afternoon, and then we got one out by, and then Sunday we'll kind of see where we're sitting. That's if everything holds.
Giggle chickens. You never heard of
Really?
No.
Jesus Christ, you hunt them as much as you do. I thought you would have. I've even heard that shit.
I mean, I heard them call it chickens, but never heard giggle chickens. I like giggle chickens.